Hello guys, I appreciate you clicking on the video. If you guys want to learn a lot more, I suggest just staying through the whole video, listening to what I have to say. Um, I know there's a lot of ways. This is just me coming across as another person, not some finance guru, not somebody that's claiming to know it all, but something that I've experienced and some advice that I would just want to give out. I know it's hard to actually find a realistic video where somebody's going through it with you, or just in general where it doesn't sound too salesy. But let me just jump straight into it. Saving $10,000 in a year sounds crazy. You guys seen the title of this video, so when you're starting from zero, especially if you're living paycheck to paycheck or you feel like you're always behind, right? But most people don't fail because they're bad with money. They fail because nobody ever showed them a simple, realistic way to save. So today, I wanted to break down how to go from $0 to $10,000 in under a year without extreme budgeting, without cutting everything fun, and without feeling too overwhelmed. So I would say why savings feels impossible, or saving in general feels impossible, because saving money is realistically hard. Life's expensive. Bills stack up all the time. You're always gonna have those bills. Unexpected stuff happens. And most people try to save whatever's left at the end of the month, but nothing is ever left. Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't. So instead of trying to be disciplined, we're gonna make saving something that you can actually stick to. So I would say step one is start with a number that doesn't stress you out. Saving 10,000 is the goal, but that number's too big to think about every day or to stress about. So break it down as something small. $20 a week, or $50 a week, or even $10 if that's where you're at. The amount doesn't matter. What matters is that you pick a number you can stick to it without feeling stressed or feeling like it's going to hurt you too much. Step two, I would say, is make saving automatic. Most people don't save because they forget or they talk themselves out of it. So instead of relying on willpower, set up automatic transfers. Even if it's $10 every Friday. When it's automatic, you don't think about it. You don't have to decide. You don't have to be motivated. It just happens. And you do not feel it coming out of your paycheck or anything. So it helps. So step three, find extra money without changing your whole life. You don't need to cut everything, but you can find money hiding in your life. Look at subscriptions you don't use, food delivery, random Amazon purchases, overpriced phone plans, overpriced anything that you have, stuff that you have around your house that you can sell that you do not need. A lot of people have different clutter that they never thought that would make money on, but there's a buyer for everything, and that's completely the truth. So most people can free up to $50 and $150 a month without filling it. That alone gets you $600 to $1,800 a year. So step four, sell stuff you don't use, like I just talked about. This is the fastest way to go from $0 to your first $500. Look around your room or your closet. You probably have things that you don't use, like old electronics, shoes, clothes, tools, gaming accessories. List them on Facebook Marketplace, offer up. Most people can make $100 to $300 in a weekend. Step five, add a small income boost. You don't need a full side hustle. You just need one small thing that brings in extra money. Try DoorDash for a weekend. Cleaning your yards, flipping items, selling things online on eBay, or anything online. Doing small gigs if you have a skill. Just pick up overtime too if you guys have a job that offers that. I know a lot of people are, depending where you live, it's cutting down a little bit. So, but if you can, pick up a little overtime. Give that little the little push, and you will eventually save. Even an extra $200, $300 a month really does change everything. If you make an extra $250 a month, that's $3,000 a year right there. Step six, keep your savings separate. This is where a lot of people mess up in my eyes. They save money, but they keep it in the same account they spend from, and then it disappears. So keep your savings in a separate account. No debit card, no easy access, out of sight, out of mind. And that's what I like to say, out of sight, out of mind. You're not hiding it, you're protecting it from you. Step seven is track your progress in a simple way. You don't need a spreadsheet, you don't need an app. Just write it down. I don't know about you, but writing down stuff for me actually helps a lot. It helps me remember where it's at, helps me remember what's going on, helps me feel a little bit more on top of it. You write down how much you saved this week, your total so far. Seeing the number grow keeps you motivated. It reminds you that you're actually doing something. Step 8, I would say be consistent, not perfect. You're going to have weeks where you save nothing. You're going to have months where life hits you. And that's completely normal, especially in the world we're living in. So saving $10,000 isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up over and over, even when it's not easy. So the truth is, you can save $10,000 in under a year, not by being perfect, not by being rich, but by being consistent. Start small, automate it, find extra money where you can, add a little income, and protect your progress. If you want more calm, like videos like this, I would say subscribe. I would ask for it. I would appreciate you actually listening all the way through if you guys did. And if you guys have any comments at all where you guys want to talk about a certain thing of like certain methods that there is to save up to, like there's several methods and I can go over, but or any topic that you guys would want, if you guys did listen all the way through, I'd love to talk about, and let me know what your goals are. Right, I would want to be communicative on anybody that does listen to this channel, right, and what we can talk about. I don't want to sound too repetitive, but a lot of this stuff is repetitive. A lot of stuff we talk about. I mean, I've worked in car sales before, so if you guys have any topics where you guys wanted to learn about the car business and how to save money when you actually go and purchase vehicles, or just to be safe, and it's something that you guys might be interested in. I know I made a video about I forgot what the title was that I named it, so I mean I'll go back and actually look at it. But anything that you guys want to actually talk about, I say comment and we can speak on. Right, like this one. The truth is, you guys can get there in under a year if you guys will put your mind to it. I mean, free up money. I mean, that's something that I've done. I've called companies, I've called my insurance, I've switched insurance companies, saved like 200, 300 bucks on that just by getting a broker or trying to actually find somebody that pays a lot less or who isn't willing to scam me. Call my cell phone company, call my Wi-Fi company, get loyalty discounts, get everything that you possibly can. Trust me, it's gonna help, and you'll get there in no time. And if you guys really lock in on it, you guys would be like actually surprised at what you guys can accomplish if you guys have a goal, and if you guys actually tracked it. Just don't get in the habit. If you have your money in the same account that you're spending on, and you're just spending it. Right, I know it's hard right now, but you guys can do it. All right, guys, I appreciate you guys for actually listening. If you guys listen all the way through. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Just let me know what you guys would want to hear. Thank you.